In this video, I will be showing you how Canva supports Arabic. Let's get started. I'll begin with a blank canvas and add a text box to the center of the page. I'm going to type the word hello and then resize it to make it much larger so it's easy to read. Now I'll head over to the left-hand sidebar, click on the Apps section, and search for the Translate tool. Once I select the Translate app, I'll go to the Language drop-down menu and search for Arabic. After selecting Arabic, I'll click the Translate button at the bottom of the panel. You'll see that Canva automatically creates a brand new page featuring the translated text. Let's try another example. I'll go back to my first page and add a new text box, this time typing "Good morning." With the text selected, I'll go back to the Translate panel and click the button again. Just like before, Canva generates a new page with the correct Arabic translation. For one last test, I'll go to my Arabic page and add another text box underneath the first word. I'll type "Good evening" and then hit the Translate button one more time. Canva instantly processes the request and provides the translation on a new page. It's that simple to create localized content in Arabic using Canva's built-in tools.